Hey y'all, and welcome back to the channel. We've been doing a lot of cleaning videos lately using scrub and bubbles. Well, today we're talking about a stinky house. I'm going to show you a way that you can get your house to smelling good without using a lot of chemicals. Now, I'm going to show you some different things you can use that you can buy to make your house smell good. But then I'm going to show you one way that you can do it using a warmer if you've got one. Mine's a little truck, and that's what I'm going to be using. Remember back when the little red trucks were in style? I guess they still are, but my daughter-in-law got me this one for Christmas one year, and I love using it. I used to use the wax warmers in it. Well, I'm out of them. And they're sort of like, they do have chemicals in them, just like your candles do. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use this warmer to freshen your house without having a lot of chemicals. Y'all come on. Now this right here is one reason our house smells. Plus, we have banjo, but we canned 14 jars of garlic this weekend. It sure is pretty. It's going to come in handy in the pantry. I'm going to show you some stuff that I do have on hand if I need it for making my house smell good. I've got the Mr. Clean. You add a little bit of this to your mop water, and boy, does your house smell good. And then just for air freshener, I've got this one. It's one of the cheapest ones you can get right now. It's $1. But I do like having these on hand, so if I have to use some, say if Banjo comes in and it's muddy or damp outside and he's got that, that dog smell, well, this right here will help knock it out. But a bath sure does work better. And then we've got this. That's another thing you can buy on the shelf to make your house smell good. And then here we've got a homemade like air freshener that we made. I'll show you that in another video, but you can use these kind of bottles just to mist your room with using this for an air freshener. But in this video today, we're talking about using a warmer. What you can do with a warmer in your house to make your house smell good without any chemicals. Y'all come on. Okay, so what I like to do is I'll take my little wax warmer, but we're not using wax today. And what I'll do is I'll put just a tiny bit of water inside whatever heats up on the little element. And then you'll take any kind of essential oil that you like your room to smell like. Now I've been using grapefruit in this, so I'm going to go ahead and add grapefruit back. But there's so many different ones you can pick from. Whatever you like, use it. If you like lemon, because a lot of stuff that you clean with is made with lemon. So we're going to go ahead now and we're going to use the grapefruit. And I'm going to add about 10 drops of this essential oil. Now you can use any kind of essential oil that you've got, any kind of brand, but this is the one we've got. I've had this, I've got a lot of these I've had for a couple years, and I love using them. So just plug this up wherever you would if it had the wax in it, and let it set. And as it warms up, your house will smell just like the citrus in the grapefruit, or whatever flavor you put in it. If you like lavender, put some lavender in it. But this right here is a way to use the warmers without using those little wax warmer, like candle things you put in there, those little cubes that melt down. Now those you go through them pretty fast. But keeping this little bit of water with this essential oil will save you a lot of money from buying those little warmer wax warmers. This right here is a cheaper way to do it, and it's a better way for you instead of using these chemicals. Now, I do use them. I'm not saying I don't, but I love this way too. But there's a lot of different things you can pick from, a lot of different essential oils you can pick. It just depends on how you're wanting to make your house smell. Having a fresh, clean house makes you feel better too. So, I hope this video helps you. Use the warmers that you've got to change it up. I hope this gives you an idea on how to make your house smell great. Like always, thanks for watching. Happy cleaning.